welcome back, guys. Today we are going to be dyeing the helmets for the Axial Ryft.
Yeah, the Ryft. We've already got the chassis done, and I don't think we put this on the channel yet, but we did the front in Ryft Tangerine, and it doesn't really show up good on the camera. It looks like it's kind of a yellowish orange on camera, but it's actually really close to gold. I mean, it's a deep orangish kind of gold, and it's really cool. And the back was the scarlet red, which it came out kind of a pale maroon color, which is really cool. I went ahead and did the top of the fuel cell in orange, and I'm going to paint these stripes here, the straps and the cap and stuff. I'm going to paint them differently, probably silver or black on the straps and black on here, and maybe red on the caps. But today we're just going to try to get I wanted to save the helmets for do a short video on how we did the dyeing. Basically, I got the Ryft dye in here, and this is just the regular dye. This isn't the dye more. The dye more is made for nylon, and it's supposed to be better for doing this kind of stuff. But the regular Ryft dyes work really good. But basically, I just bring it up to pretty much close to boiling, and then just turn the stove off,
And then you just dye it.
and then just stick them in. You try not to let them hit the bottom of the pan too much, because you're going to probably melt them.
Yeah.
So just kind of keep them floating there. Keep a little pressure down on them. These things gotta let them fill up with the dye so that way they sink.
Just to so if you guys don't believe us when it's gonna melt, go watch a video about how plastic melts. and then yeah, you can believe us in.
And this takes a little while for this to sink in. So we'll probably do a time lapse here and show you when it's done. I'll try to let you know how long it took to get the color I want. The cage, it took probably 15 minutes on each side.
Well, that's 20 minutes.
So
right?
30 minutes.
Oh yeah, 30 minutes. I'm like 10 off, but I forgot about the 5s in the minutes.
Oops, I lost one.
Uh-oh. Ooh.
I just got the wire bent
That's it.
and shoved in there. It's not a very good way to do it, but
It's probably not really that safe to dip your finger.
no, it's not safe to dip your finger in there. But
yeah, so I would just get a little spoon and just scoop it out. That's probably hot and probably will dye your finger. I wonder how that would work. Just dyeing your finger. Oh no, guys, my finger got dyed.
But you can see they're orange.
Yeah.
Getting close. Lost another one.
That's the same one. Oh, yeah.
Go ahead and go get me a spoon. Out of the drawer. I don't want to burn my fingers again. Careful.
God,
It's going to be full of liquid. Just need to stick this back in there. Why is it not going? Let me have the spoon. I got it. Now, I'm just going to do it this way.
Yeah.
They're floating anyway. The only reason I had the wires so they wouldn't sink. Bobbing for heads. They're getting pretty close. It's only taken a few minutes so far.
Yeah. Only about like 10 or 12 minutes. Make sure you use a cheap spoon for this because your spoon might get dyed a lot. So
it's metal; it won't take the dye.
But if you're using a wooden spoon that costs a lot, make sure you use a different one.
Yeah, dye a wooden spoon, that's for sure. See that black measuring cup over there?
Where? Oh.
The black measuring cup?
This?
Yeah, give me that and I'll put them in there when I get done. We're almost done. This didn't take as long as I thought it was going to. We'll see this one. It's got some splotches on it. Yeah, they'll wipe right off. It's just the sediment that's in the on the top of the water.
You mean dye?
Yeah, on the top of the dye. And this is just a... I took... when I made this, did the cage, I poured a whole bottle in and probably gallon and a half, 2 gallons of water. Probably closer to 2 gallons of water because it was a fairly decent sized pot. I mean, it was big enough to sit all of that in straight up and down, or at an angle actually, because but anyway.
Are you trying to say dye or water?
I put the full bottle of Ryft dye in, then I put about 2 gallons of water in there.
Okay, so don't just get water and dip and pour water in the pan and just try to think if water can dye that. So.
No, you gotta have the dye in there, silly. I think these are close enough.
Yeah, try to like compare it.
Yeah, it's about the same.
Yeah.
They look fine. All right, so there's that done. There's 2 helmets. But that's how you use the Ryft dye. Any questions, just post in the comments.
Yeah.
Sign off.
Oh yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Smash that like button right now, or you will have 10 years of bad luck. No, I'm just kidding.
And if you don't like the video, hit it twice.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you don't like the video, hit it twice.
But actually, no. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button 2 times. It's double dislike. Yeah.
There's only a like button. There's not a dislike button.
Yeah, there is.
There's a dislike button now?
Yeah.
When did they add that? Used to just
A
be
long time ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so hit the dislike button 2 times. And
oh yeah, I gotcha.
Yeah, so hit it 2 times if you don't really like it.
Yeah, the thumbs down.
Yeah,
if you don't like the video,
down.
hit the thumbs down twice.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. See you in the next video.
Also, don't forget to subscribe too.
Oh yeah. You gotta make sure to subscribe. Alright.
You don't have to hit the notification button though. It's alright if you don't have to, but you can just hit subscribe. You don't have to hit the.
If you want to catch the next video where we're going to be building the Ryft, it's coming up soon.
Yeah, so hit the notification button then.
Alright, see ya. Say bye.
Bye.